We packed our bags, the sun was rising high. Hit the open road, just my friends and I.
What? Right. They're gonna walk. Hang on. They'll. It's just the fact. They will come up. Yeah, they'll come up to your face. Don't worry. Just stand there. We've just entered. Hello. She'll stand there and look in your face. She's got the chosen. She's the chosen. She's the chosen. Yes. There's another one here. There's a bloke. Oh, it's nothing, Jessica.
Oh, it's a naked. Oh my goodness. It's a naked man.
There's someone banging.
Oh no, it's not.
Oh, it's... Wave!
Oh my God.
What's it? The purge. Purge. Sort of thing. It's not that scary, Jessica. It's a bit. Clowns, I don't do clowns and jesters. It's not that scary, is it? Oh, another one. She's pointing. Hang on. Another one.
Today. You know what?
Does it poo in the woods? That's what I want to know. Does it? Does it? Oh, there's another one. There can be one behind you. No. No.
I'm gonna say rock.
Oh yeah.
Teddy bears. Hello. Say rock.
That's it. That's it. There you go. That's the end. I think. Oh no. It's seen down there. We're not wait.
I said raw to them.
No, you can see through the thing. That's it. I saw a girl up there. Was it a puppet? It's not tense.
It's not intense.
Not intense.
Yeah, a little bit. No, I said.
That's cool.
Really
That was cool, wasn't it?
I like the bears. I said raw.
You like the bear?
I said raw.
Does it poo in the woods? She did.
She was laughing. I said raw to the bear. No. I said raw to the bear.
It's cool. So
I said raw to the bear and I said...
you did. And I asked if the bear did in the woods.
Yes.
And they didn't speak. Did you enjoy that?
It was very good. I said I went wrong.
Do you want to go in again? I want to go in
I
again.
went wrong.
Rachel wants to go in again. Are we going to go in again?
Go
on.
At least you know what's going to happen.
Alright, we have to go.
But you're going to go in the front this time.
Oh
I'll
no!
go in the front this time.
The back is even worse. Sir.
It's not. Right.
Follow you.
I think we're going to go in there again.
What?
Because I want to go. I can't
You
go
know
that way.
Toy Story? You know Toy Story? You know them like Chucky, like
Yes.
No, it's like purge.
things.
I said the purge and he went, I'm not the
And it
purge.
looked like him.
You are.
I said
No.
to him, are you the purge? And he was like, I'm not there. And he's like staring at me for 5 minutes.
I
So-
really enjoyed it. I'm gonna say raw to the bear.
Yeah. Rah. Right. We'll see you on the next bit.
She went, oh, I like bears.
Yeah.
Again. Stop with it.
Right. Jessica wants to go again.
Because they reckon that they touch it, but they just point at you.
They just
Yeah,
point at
point.
you. And I said raw to the bear.
Oh dear.
I said,
Right.
I
Guys.
just waving to the bear.
What about we all said raw?
So yeah, that was
We'll
a
see
really
how
good scare maze.
I really like the bears. The bears
Could have done with a bit more
but it was a bit scary.
tense.
Like, can they guy said it was intense.
It's not. Yeah, but because she's just as small, isn't she? So yeah. So see you on the next one. So bye.
We packed our bags, the sun was rising high, hit the open road.